guys, this is me without any makeup and just with Emolene, and this is my beauty blender. What I'm going to do is a quick meeting look, which is now I've taken the Parfait. If you can see it. Can you see it? Yes. Can you see it? Yes. So this is the L'Oreal Perfect Match. Okay. What I do is I do this to it. Okay. Okay. That's it. Now we're gonna blend it very, very gently. So guys, this is a really little meeting that I have with the designer, and so I don't want to go heavy. That's why I opted for Perfect Match, and a little bit of that is on the lid now. So actually Perfect Match is so thin, you can actually do it with your fingers also. So I'll show you like this you can do. You mix it around. When you see it's uniform, you're good. Understood? I'm just trying out the beauty blender today. It's nice. So if you can see, it's covering up a lot for me. So the under eyes, I don't want to take a lot of product away. Back to the sponge. So I was a little more careful. Can you see that before and after? Nice. Pretty good, huh? Again, beauty blender and my blush, MAC blush. Take it, tap it, and just yes. Tell me, what do you think? Okay, you're supposed to tell me. Okay, tell me in your comments whether you like, not like, what did you find helpful, not so much. You see, I'm not doing it conventionally how it's done. I'm just doing up to down and side because I like it that way. It makes my face look, it's a natural sort of a flush that I'm going for. A little on the nose and a little on the chin. It's the natural rosy sort of effect. Yes. And then what I'm going to do is, y'all can not do this, but I feel like it, so I'm going to do it. I'm doing a little bit of my Chanel Compact, which is my quite pretty go-to, honestly. And this brush has a little bronzer from the last time, which is in the morning. So I guess that bronzer is gonna come along, which I am pretty excited about. This guys, invest in this. It's amazing. But I'm going to put my Too Faced lip plumber. Yes, it's not extreme, guys. It's normal. I also have a homemade one which I've made myself with cinnamon. See how I do eyebrows. So I'll beach make line and then fill it around. Yes, and just go with this brush to fill itself up. It needs to sit on the brow bone. Okay? I'll just take this, and my designer's here. I'll just take this and tap it out. mix it. She's at the door. Okay, bye. Tell me what you like. I mean, tell me how you like it. I'm saying anything.